Hi everyone, and welcome to Single Step English. Today's lesson is about office vocabulary, 15 words. Vocabulary word number 1 is desk. Desk. My desk is very big. My desk is very big. Vocabulary number 2 is pen. It's a pen. Pen. It's a silver pen. It's a silver pen. Number 3, scissors. 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 These are scissors. Where are my scissors? Where are my scissors? Number 4, tape. Tape. I need a piece of tape. I need a piece of tape. Number 5, Post-it. Post-it. Use a Post-it so you don't forget. Use a Post-it so you don't forget. Number 6, chair. Chair. This is my chair. This is my chair. Number 7, stapler. 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 Could you hand me the stapler? Could you hand me the stapler? Number 8, eraser. 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 May I borrow your eraser? May I borrow your eraser? Number 9, highlighter. 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 I often use a highlighter. I often use a highlighter. Number 10, paperclip. 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 Could you pass me a paperclip? Could you pass me a paperclip? Number 11, two-hole punch. Two-hole punch. Please use a two-hole punch for these papers. Please use a two-hole punch for these papers. Number 12, file cabinet. File cabinet. File cabinet. Please put the folders in the file cabinet. Please put the folders in the file cabinet. Number 13, calculator. 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 I use a calculator at my job. I use a calculator at my job. Number 14. Ruler. 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 You should measure it with a ruler. You should measure it with a ruler. And the last one, number 15. Thumbtack. 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 I think we need more thumbtacks. I think we need more thumbtacks. Which do you use in your office? Write a comment below. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.